Welcome to Costa Rica. My name is Johnny from Johnny Knows Costa Rica. We're here with Steve.
How you doing?
Steve, how's it been?
Good, awesome.
It's your last day.
Yes, it is.
How's it been so far? Unedited, just Steve talking.
It's one of the best decisions I've ever made. You know, I didn't expect all the work that went into it. I didn't realize I needed that much work until I actually got here.
So the oil change was a little bit bigger than what you expected initially.
Oh, without a doubt, without a doubt. But the facilities are awesome.
So tell us about that. What made those facilities awesome?
They're one of the cleanest dentists I've ever been in my life, number one.
In Costa Rica?
In my life, anywhere. Not just Costa Rica. It was one of the cleanest dentist offices I've ever been in.
So you got to see the equipment, you saw that everything's on site. How was that?
Oh, the thing with they were making the teeth, that thing was awesome. I don't even know what the hell you call that thing.
Oh, inside the laboratory. Oh, okay.
Yeah,
So,
they had it on the axis and it was spinning and showing how they were making the actual molds for the teeth.
so what Steve's talking about is that inside the office is the laboratory to make the teeth to the crowns that he's with. And you got 8 crowns done, right?
I did.
You got a whole...
A whole new girl, but I smile more, but I got something stuck in my teeth and it hurts.
So tell us about the doctor himself. Each doctor that you had, did you have communication issue with him, or how was that?
I didn't have communication issues with any of the dentists. Even Jonathan, who doesn't speak much English, I didn't have a communication issue with him at all.
Well, good.
Got my points across.
You got your points across. You're happy with what you've received so far?
Oh yeah, 100%. I'm already telling people at home.
And you're coming back because you got to do the other process because you got some implants done too, right?
Right, correct. I'm getting 5 implants total.
You know what? Something that I'm amazed about is that after you got your implants, you didn't even bruise. You got some good DNA there.
Well, that's from getting beat up my whole life, but there was no swelling. You know, even the doctor said yesterday when he seen me after the surgery, he was like, "I can't even. You don't even look like you had the surgery."
No, you don't look like you had any surgery, and,
Right.
and you had, you got. If it's okay, can I talk about that?
Of course you can.
Okay, so you had a sinus lift, you had 2 bone grafts, and you had 2 implants put in, and we're waiting for the other implants to get done on the next trip.
The other 3, yes, they'll
Yeah.
be put in next time.
Yeah. So, how was that? Because you had an oral surgeon, you had a regular surgeon, and you had the staff there all for this. How was that?
It was cool. Like I said, I was awake the whole time. Like I don't even know what the hell you call
Oh, you
it.
had conscious sedation.
Yeah, conscious sedation. So I was able to answer questions and do what they asked me to do, which was kind of cool.
But how did it feel? Were you relaxed?
Oh yeah, without a doubt, 100% relaxed. I didn't even feel anything when they were doing it. So that was incredible on its own. Being awake and hearing, especially when they pulled that tooth out and they could hear it crunching, and I was like, wow, that's a different experience.
So what he's talking about is conscious sedation. In Costa Rica, they don't use what commonly called laughing gas or nitrous oxide to put somebody to sleep. Those are ducks. So if you hear ducks, they're around. They wanted to be on camera too. So
Nice. Well, bring one up here.
yeah. So in summary, with this experience, what do you take away from Costa Rica and the dental system? Because you also got a little bit of the medical side too. What did you see with that?
It's the same that I get in the States. There's no difference. The
It's just
quality
in
of
Spanish.
care.
It's
Right.
it's just in Spanish.
Right. And like I said, I didn't have any problem navigating it at all. So it worked in my favor because I probably spent 20% of what I would have spent at home, which is huge.
That's a big time, and you got to spend some time in paradise.
And beautiful paradise. Oh yeah, I can't wait. I'm kind of upset I have to come back 2 more times, as you can see on my
I
face.
know, I can see that. You know what? We might have to include therapy for that.
Yeah, I'm into it. Bring them all on.
Well, in summary, Steve, this experience with dental, what could you tell somebody that's thinking of doing it or wanting to come? What would you tell them from your own words?
I was hesitant about coming out to a different country on my own, and everybody here, every person I've met has all been inviting. It's not what I expected at all. I expected a little bit of anxiousness and worry about where I'm going to be, how I'm going to be treated. That went out the window 5 minutes into my excursion into this country. It was awesome.
Well, I appreciate you coming, Steve.
Thank you, sir. I'll see you again, too.
We'll see.
And maybe you guys, too.
Well, I hope this information was good for you. You understand what the dental system here in Costa Rica is, and a little bit of the medical. And if you're thinking about having treatment done in Costa Rica, please consider us. Pura vida, and always be safe.
Whatever he said, I don't know what.